Testing. 1, 2, 3, testing. Is this gonna work? Testing. 1, 2, 3, testing.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
So another challenge. This one's a 10-question challenge.
And it's going to be a challenge because we're in a park setting. So if you hear some weird noises, it's not us.
Yes, for sure. So this one came about. It is a class project. I have my little notes down here. Class project. Students from the new media program at Clark State College in Springfield, Ohio. They created an RV challenge featuring, I think it started with Teresa and Jerry, or I don't know who it started with. But anyway, we're going to answer the questions. We were challenged by Mel and Nettie of...
Mel and Nettie, living free zip code less.
He did it! Yay!
Well, it's because I just typed in there. I just sent an email about something. Anyway.
So, we are going to answer the 10 questions. So let's put this here, pull it back. Hold on. Technical difficulties here. Okay. Number 1. Have you named your RV?
Yep.
Yes. Her name is?
The RV.
Mm-hmm.
Well, the truck is called the Beast.
Yes, because he's so beastly.
And the RV?
Beauty. Because she's so pretty.
Yeah. It works.
Yep, it works. So, number 2. What is your favorite traveling activity?
Well, while we're traveling, the favorite activity is driving. So, must be drive.
Okay.
If they mean
when you arrive.
when we arrive somewhere.
Or what our
and
plans are.
do something.
Yeah. I think checking out the sights.
Yeah, I think just checking out the local area.
Yeah.
From like local restaurants to local attractions to kind of find out where the locals go and
Yeah.
a little more history. I think a lot of it.
Yes,
Like the history of the area. We really enjoy finding that stuff out and why that place came to be. Kind of.
Exactly. Yeah.
You know why
Yeah.
it.
So number 3. Have you done any RV renovations? We've done a few.
Done a few. Removed the table, put in a desk.
Yeah, we took out the table, put in a desk. We took out the chairs, recliner chairs that came with it, and we put in a reclining love seat, all leather, very nice. It's a lot more comfortable for us.
Yeah.
We've done some renovations to the bay. We call it our basement. Kind of helped with storage and...
Yep. Basically just kind of organizational stuff. We also put in solar.
Yep.
So we have solar panels on the roof and
lithium
solar
batteries.
system, lithium, inverters, all that stuff.
Yep. And we have plans to do some more. I really want to paint the bedroom and our master bathroom. And maybe put up some tile in there, but I haven't got to it yet. We're almost 2 years in, but you know, you take little pieces
Got
at a
30
time.
years to go, you know.
Right. So, yes to that. Number 4. What is your favorite holiday for traveling to a new place?
Yep. Every day's a holiday.
Yeah, I think somebody else said that. But it is. When you full-time RV, you know, actually, you try to avoid the parks on holidays.
We do try to avoid campgrounds on the holidays.
Yeah.
Because it's packed with weekend warriors usually.
Yes,
so.
which isn't always bad. Depends on the park. Like the
Yeah.
park we're at here at Crescent Bar, it's a boating community, so there tends to be pretty rowdy weekend campers. here, so we just try to spend time at the kids' house or whatever. But when we're traveling, yeah, if we can avoid a park on a weekend,
Yeah,
that's a thumbs up.
We'll try to hit Harvest Host or make those days we travel.
Yeah.
So we're on the road. We're not actually, stopped somewhere.
Don't we sound like fuddy-duddies?
Yeah, we've had enough of the holiday camping.
That's true. We've done our fair share.
So we let other people in.
Yeah.
To have their fun.
That's right.
That's
right. So what is, number 5.
That's my story, and I'm sticking to it.
Number 5. How much time do you spend traveling in your RV each year?
Every day.
365, 24/7.
24/7, 365.
Yep. We live in her. We sold our home, as most of you know, and this is our home. So
we do like to try to travel to get to a destination and then stay in that destination for, a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. 2 weeks is kind of ideal.
Yep.
And then travel, it could be up to 4 or 5 days in a row if we needed to get to another destination so we can stay there. So that's kind of our travel style, but
yep,
kind of lets you know kind of how we do that.
So number 6, do you travel alone?
And then we also have really enjoyed, started just this last year, caravanning, and spent, off and on a couple of months with Mel and Nettie, and then we're going to be meeting up with them again and some friends and traveling for a few months. Looking forward to that. Should be fun.
Yeah, it's friends and meeting new people are what is so special to us.
It's just like here where we're at. We try to meet our neighbors and talk with them, and then also we've gone on a couple of walks and we've met some other people and stop and talk with them and share, and that to us is we don't travel for an agenda.
No.
We travel for the experience, and we try to be helpful to those around us, whether it's helping unclog their black tank,
which Greg has done this week.
Which I did this week, or just saying hi or going up to making sure they're okay because they're having trouble backing in.
Yep.
But
we always try to be very cognizant of if they act like they don't want help or they don't want you to stop.
We just say hi.
Don't. Yeah. We don't hone in. One thing, the first 6 months we did travel alone, and to be honest, it was kind of lonely.
And it can be. I mean, that's one thing we'll say is RV life is what you make it. So if you purposely just drive and you're just yourself and you don't force yourself to reach out, or you don't go to places, you don't sightsee, you don't do. I mean, you don't have to.
Yeah.
But if you long for just friendships, whatever, it is the easiest, I think, lifestyle.
Yeah.
To create friends, to spend time with people. It is definitely.
Yeah. Yep. Number
7.
If you could recommend one destination, where would it be? I know mine.
Okay.
Zion. I fell in love with the Zion area. It is so beautiful, so breathtaking, and if you can, it's in the middle of the States almost, so most people will pass through there sometime.
Well, you have to purpose to get there, kind of south.
Yes, but it's not like it's on the tip of either end either. So anyway, I would recommend anybody take some time and go to Zion National Park and surrounding area. That's me. How about you?
Well, the place where we visited, I think the most is Zion, which we'll have a video coming out here pretty soon on it. But also the area that hopefully we're going back to this fall, I don't know, way back to Texas, is Teton. We were there just for a day with some friends, and it's absolutely gorgeous in that area and stuff like that. So those are probably the two off the top of my head. I mean, we've been to Glacier, we've been to Yellowstone, different things before, not since we've been RVing full time. But yeah, we definitely want to go back to those places like everybody does.
I could expand our list, but it does say one destination, so I thought I won't say anymore, but yes. So check those out if you can. Number 8. What are your favorite foods to bring or make on your trips?
Oh.
Well, since we full-time, we cook like normal. I mean, we try not to eat out too much because it gets really expensive.
I like to use my smoker.
Yep.
So I like doing
Green Mountain.
the Green Mountain smoker we got. I like smoking chicken thighs, beef brisket, and my pork butt. Because everyone says they love my butt.
That's true.
Then we also kind of enjoy doing the rice bowls.
Yes, we love to do rice
fun
bowls.
Thing we do.
And a lot of times he'll do the meat on the smoker or on the Blackstone for that.
Yeah.
And we have Blackstone and we use that a lot. And most of you know we have a Ninja Foodie that we use.
Yeah, so what do you like to cook? Or you just like to eat?
I just like to eat.
Yeah.
Cereal. Sometimes I'll do breakfast. I'm a good breakfast cooker. But Greg's the cook. I'll
She
clean
cleans,
it up.
I cook.
Yeah.
We got a team.
It works. So number 9. Would you rather camp in the woods or by the water?
Yep. The mountains or beaches? Yep.
Yeah. The Oregon coast. When I think of water, at first I think of lakes, but the Oregon coast is amazing. If you can get something right on the beach and you just walk just a little bit, that's a preference. But then in the middle of the woods, quiet, by a lake, I mean,
Yeah. We're actually going to be on the trip back this fall. We'll be up in the mountains. We'll be on the coast. We'll be up in the mountains.
Yeah, we'll be all over.
And then we'll end kind of down in Texas, right on the ocean
Gulf,
there, on the Gulf of Mexico.
Right?
Yeah, Gulf of Mexico. I guess it's not ocean.
Yeah.
On the beaches right there, and we'll actually be the last stop I have kind of tentatively set was boondocking right on the beach. Oh, I mean, like
That's
5 feet from the water. So
plans change.
yeah,
but
but
that's
that's our tentative.
So, do you have any advice? Number 10. Do you have any advice for other RVers?
Get off the road, go home, get yourself a home, sticks and bricks, so that we can more easily get camper spots.
Okay, that's an option.
Well, they didn't say politically correct one.
Okay, my advice is, we have so many people who say, oh, it must be nice. Oh, lucky for you. And my thing is, we made a choice. Everybody can make a choice. We made sacrifices to get here. And hopefully the wind won't. We're going to hold this thought. We'll come back. Okay, so my advice for other RVers. Well, other RVers, they've already made the choice, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
so that doesn't even fit, really. That's
yeah,
kind of to other people.
I mean, but in reality, I think to put into this life all you are. Don't go into it, halfway. Give it the full chance and opportunity. It's not a lifestyle for everybody.
Right.
So, advice to RVers that do it part time or full time. It's full time's not for everybody. And just to give it an honest try, though, in anything in life. Don't say it's not for me unless you really honestly give it a full try.
Yeah, and I think we kind of touched on it earlier. But my advice to other RVers, be it weekenders or full-timers or most-timers or some-timers, just be friendly. Be kind.
Yeah, respectful of other people and their space.
But be friendly.
But be friendly.
Say hi to people as they walk by. And,
be helpful. Be kind.
That's a lot of times you will strike up a conversation. And we did yesterday with some people. And come to find out, they're going full-time in 2 months. And... they just live right here, 40 miles from here, and we have a lot of people in common, and anyway, it was just be friendly.
Yep, you never know who you'll meet, and what they'll mean in your life from that day on. So just encourage you to do that.
Yep. So we didn't talk about who to challenge, but I have one in my mind. Did you have somebody?
I think so. I have several.
Okay, well, we're just going to do one.
Yep.
You want me to say?
Yep.
Okay. and probably one of the same ones. We challenge Kit and Lisa of Living Light RV.
Yep. They were one of them.
Okay, so we will challenge them. We want to hear your Canadian answers to all of these. I think we know most of them, but we love you guys.
But other people might not.
Yes, we love you guys. We miss you. We can't wait till that stupid borders open so we can spend time together again. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up.
Subscribe, ring the bell.
Share this video, and
remember,
every day's a gift.
So don't count the days, but make the days count. We'll see you soon.
See you soon. Feels good.
Get 2 blowers going, the wind blowing.
So exciting. It's a bad thing about being next to a resort. Wind died down a little bit.
Okay, go.
Hey guys, can you go to
Talk
lunch?
loud.